It's a home inspection overview of unit 1708. We're going to start on the outside and then we'll finish inside. So here on the side, this is the foundation or the stem wall. You can see that it's cracked here. Normally what happens is with time, the reinforced bars inside, they rust. When they rust, they expand the concrete. So how do you fix that? You could fix it by putting in concrete in here or an epoxy, or trying to put a stem in front of the stem wall like they did over here. Most likely they put this in here in order to correct some cracking. But normally this is not how you do it. You would compact it internally and make sure that you fill in the voids. This is just putting a front. So it's structurally speaking, concrete cracks. That's the nature of concrete. So concrete cracked over here. Here is these columns supporting the porch. They need to have metal brackets. The reason why you need metal bracket is because metal brackets protect against termites. Some of these windows will have to be adjusted because it hits right here. It hits the support and you can't really open them. So they need to move these supports so they do not interfere with the operation of the windows, okay? So coming around here, you got electric outlets. I checked these outlets right here, and I checked them with this. Okay, so I checked these outlets with this tester right here. It gives you the voltage right here. It tells you that it's okay. So the outlets are inside and outside are okay. So coming inside here, I opened the electrical panel. This is where you shut off the power if you need to. I opened this inside, no problem with electrical, no problem with the wires. I check all your fence all the way around. There's a couple of these column caps. This is just, there's no structural value other than they would use this to cover the top of the column. And basically how you would fix it is putting an epoxy right here, like liquid nail, to hold it down. The gates are in good shape, no problem there. I checked the roof. It's a newer roof. It's in good condition. And the unit up there is a carrier. So you also have to go and check the temperature, but it's a heat pump. It is both for air conditioning and also for heat. We got more cracks right here on the stem wall. Again, this could be repaired by introducing concrete into the cracks or an epoxy. Then this piece right here, it was an attempt to fix probably a crack like this. So this is just basically a skirt or a cover up of some of the cracks. So some of the screens for the windows are missing, and the screens for the door is missing. So we need a screen. So now coming inside the house, this door has to be adjusted and lubricated. That's why it sounds like that. So it'll make it easier to be opened. We start right here in the kitchen. I checked the dishwasher. When I came in, I put it to wash, and it went and it washed. It did the cycle, the soap open. You can see here at the end of the cycle, it's open, so that's good. I checked the faucets, also checked the appliance, the microwave. The stove is electric. You don't have any gas here. Okay, this is the laundry room. There's power here and power here, and there is water here for the connection, and this is for the dryer, is exhaust to the exterior. This is the hot water heater. This is a good brand, is Bradford White, and here's the information you can see. The unit seems to be 2014. That's what it looks like, probably, and it is. Let me looking at the. It's 39 gallons. Usually 39 gallons would be 39 to 50 gallons is for a family of 5. All right, so coming around here, all this is okay. The ceiling fans are good. in here as well. Ceiling fan is okay. We do have smoke detectors are required in the bedrooms. Here in this bathroom, a couple of things. This tank here is loose. So basically that has to be fastened down here. Or sometimes they would put something behind here. So if you try to move it like this, if you try to move it, then you cannot move it. So there's something behind that you cannot see back here like this. So that's how you fix it. Okay, tighten the bolts and put something behind there. So that's pretty much in there. I checked the hot water in all the spots. And then here in the master bathroom, we check all this. This toilet is not loose. This is in good shape here. And check all this here. And I check underneath to make sure that there's no leaks in any of the faucets. So pretty much what you have is maintenance, nothing really major. The most would be to repair the foundation, the stem wall, and also to repair the loose toilets. The roof is in good shape, the AC is in good shape, and structurally speaking, they did a good job. And you're missing some screens, and the water pressure is really good. It's about 65 psi. So typically it's supposed to be between 45 and 65. All right, I'll send the reports. If you have any questions, please give me a call.